if you don't use TikTok for dropshipping, you are losing a lot of money and you are missing a very big opportunity. Because in TikTok you don't need any budget for advertising. Even in free way you can sell lot of product. So my friend, in this video I will show you how you can do TikTok dropshipping with $0. You don't need any money, any budget, or any big ad creative. Okay, very simply you can make a lot of money. So I made a very simple step by step, so you can follow the systems. Okay, so first of all you should need to find a viral product. Okay, so wait, I will highlights exactly one by one, then you can understand more. So okay, so our first step is find a viral product. So we will go to uh, Instagram. Okay, here is a secret nobody will tell you. To find a good product for TikTok, many people will tell you you need a paid tools, Caro data, or others, lot of paid tools. But in my system, if you follow, and I see my lot of clients, you can see my previous videos, lot of videos. I show my how I'm handling my clients, and they are making a lot of sales within by TikTok organic or Instagram organic. So you don't need any paid tools. Okay, in free way you can make a lot of money. So Instagram ID selling only product only. Okay, so number two is Instagram, sorry, so Instagram, yes, Instagram ID. Which one? I will show you how you can find from product on Instagram. So you will go to Instagram. Okay, so for example I found this product. This is very trending right now, and you will see if this product only selling, not other product in one ID. Okay, so this is a particular focusing one ID or one product selling ID, which is crystal promo, I mean for the car niche, and they are selling only this product. So we will see this product if on selling right now on TikTok. So we will go to TikTok and we will find TikTok product like TikTok made me buy it. You will search in here and you will see that this product is now not selling on TikTok. Okay, so here is opportunity in gap market, that if you do only on TikTok market this products marketing, so it will be very huge opportunity. Because you see in TikTok very old product are selling. These are not very trending and not right now very new. So but in Instagram this ID, yes, I mean this ID, so wait, yes, this ID, he is very taking very big opportunity. And then we will see his first video. Okay, and first video we will see, and we will also read the comments. Okay, if the comments is good, engaging, I mean the customers are asking the product, how they will buy it, where these products, how much price, so then this has also very opportunity. Okay, so for example also another thing is that you should read that these comments are very recent. So for example maximum 1 month within the comment will be. Okay, so it's 6 day, 1 week. So comments are, it's kind of the localized store maybe in the Spain or Europe. So you can also see that everyone is commenting, no problem, and the comment is very old. Oh my god, in 8 hours it's comment. So it means that the product has very opportunity, big opportunity and demand. So what you will do, you will do on start this product by advertising. How? You can ask me, or you can ask any private supplier for a sample, then I will send to your house directly, no problem, fast shipping. Then your job will be just start making good video. Okay, viral video. So our next step is will be check their online store. Okay, so for example we will see their online store. So if they have online store, so it means that it's a dropshipping product. So we will see these stores. Okay, we will go to this stores, and yeah, this is the online store. Oh my god, yes, I told you it's a Spanish store. Okay, so they are targeting marketing is Spain, no problem. You can use or you can sell this product in the UK, in the Germany, USA, no problem. Okay, very simple design, very good at creative. So this is the formula, but I'm not selling this you should sell this product. No, this is the system example. So you will go Instagram and find the TikTok made me buy it, or a lot of product video you will find, dropshipping product video. Okay, then you will match this product on TikTok. Okay, so after then, so we will go to the next step. Okay, check their online store is done and see what people see and comment. Okay, this is also done. So boom, this is the system that you can make the good product, okay, for TikTok shop. Okay, this is very simple. And after you making viral video, you will see comments of the customers, then you will go for the store create. Okay, not the store first the product and the video making. Okay, so that's it.